Here looking at a Aquatherm water heater furnace. Everything ties in from the top side on this water heater. We've done, I think, 2 or 3 in this same building. 1/4 by 5/8 line sets that can't be changed. They run on the top floor, runs all the way down through the whole building. Drains right here. Here's your gas. Comes up. Probably do a 40,000 BTU. I think it's what we've done in the past. This has a 30,000 BTU now, which is a water furnace. Here's your flue that we can tap into. That's right next. So you're looking 3 foot or so to the top. This part here, 25 inches deep, 16 inches wide, with from the floor to the bottom to right here, you're at 36 inches. So 34 inch tall, 14 inch wide, 40,000 BTU furnace should fit in there quite nicely. Then on the outside, a 2-ton York system. I believe I got the right one. There's 6 of them in a row. I'm not exactly sure, so we'll probably have to check that. I couldn't get it to kick on the outside. Here's your flue. We're right here off the kitchen. And your breaker boxes right here also. So AC, furnace, and here's all your breakers. So we should be good to go there. This is your system.